Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create this soft, glowy, clean girl makeup look, but with a twist that I'll be using only Indian makeup brand. To get that clean girl glow, skin prep is a key. So I'm starting off with this Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E moisturizer. It's super lightweight and gives you that instant glow. Next I'm using this Foxtale Golden Hour sunscreen. It's super lightweight, easy to blend and leave no white cast. This is the most important if you're stepping out during the day. For that glowy makeup look, I'm using this Illuminati base. It definitely gives you the glowy effect. Next I'm using this Pilgrim Serum Foundation. It's super lightweight and easy to blend and gives you a soft matte look. Now using a damp sponge to blend it nicely. Then I'm using my all-time favorite concealer from Swiss Beauty and applying it under my eyes, around my mouth and little bit on my dark spot, and then I'm going to blend it all. Next I'm using this blush from Swiss Beauty. It has a creamy formula and it blends super easily and it gives you a fresh flush look. To set my base, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic HD Loose Powder. It gives that perfect matte finish. For brows, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic Brow Pencil. First I'm brushing it and then filling it lightly. For mascara, I'm using this from Mars Cosmetic, adding volume to my lashes and don't forget your lower lash. For lip liner, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Brown Lip Liner, and for lipstick, I'm using this Mila Beauty Nude Lips shade. Adding some powder blush on my cheeks, and this is from Sugar Cosmetics. And now from the same palette, I'm using highlighter and I'm applying it on my cheekbone, brow bone and even on the tip of my nose and even on the inner corner of my eyes. Lastly, adding a pink gloss from Sugar Cosmetic. And yeah, this is the final look. Soft, fresh, glowy, clean girl makeup look. You can totally wear this every day. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.